In this video, we try KFC in Germany. Think you're looking good.
So we are here at KFC. We're on our way to Munich and we thought we'd stop here for dinner. We've had McDonald's here in Germany, but we have not had KFC, so we thought we would give it a try. As you all may not know, but we're actually from Kentucky. We've been to the original KFC in Corbin, Kentucky, but now we're gonna try out KFC here in Germany.
Luckily, their menus are on the screen and we can change it to English.
They have chili cheese fries. They don't have, I don't think they have that back in the States.
Do that. Ooh, ooh. Get that Miranda. That's half.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
We have salads, wraps, kids meal. Do you want to get a wrap?
Yeah, let's get a wrap. Worcester. I don't know. What do you think? Chocolate or peanut butter?
Let's go with let's try the peanut butter.
Right. Look at all those sauces.
Sweet imperial dip. Too hot for you to dip.
Ready to eat?
We got Griffin a kids meal, so we got him a 4-piece nugget with fries and a Capri Sun. I think it came with
I think it took a card.
a deck of cards.
I got the Zinger Burger, which is pretty much just a chicken patty with sauce and lettuce. Tastes like it is at home.
How would it compare to like a Popeye sandwich?
Popeye's is better. Not as good as Chick-fil-A though. Sauce is spicy. It's spicy like a spicy mayo. Yeah, it's good.
Would you get it again?
Yeah, I think it's similar to a McDonald's McChicken, like the old McDonald's McChicken, like the thin.
Yeah.
It's thin. It's not as like large, but it's good. The flavor's better. I like that spicy. Spicy mayo is very, very good.
I got the Zinger wrap, which is basically just a tortilla with chicken strips, special sauce, and lettuce.
Is it good? Is that sauce spicy like it was on the chicken sandwich?
No.
No, okay. Does it look like it was the same? Is it good? Is it one of the best chicken wraps? Looks good though. The chicken.
It is good. The chicken is really moist.
Yeah.
The sauce is good, but it's not as flavorful. I think you need a different type of sauce, or just
Like more spice.
flavorful,
Oh, okay.
spicy honey mustard or something.
Okay.
Sauce. Yeah, it's good though.
The fries are good. They're very similar to the McDonald's fries that we get here. So you can have the option to get chili cheese fries. I don't think that's at KFC in the States.
So I got the spicy chicken wings. They're really good. They're very like crunchy. They're really good. Spice. It's not too spicy, but I'm ready to drink something right now.
What would you like to say?
Nuggets.
Did you get the nuggets? Are they good?
No.
Did they pass your test? Because we do like the McDonald's nuggets. Are they better than McDonald's nuggets? And you can't get KFC without the mashed potatoes and gravy.
How are the mashed potatoes?
It tastes pretty much the same as you can get at home. Yeah, I think so. We're good. We got the peanut butter milkshake. It's very good. There's little bits of peanuts in it, which is different. I feel like in the States it's more smooth peanut butter shake. There's not like peanuts. I've never had a peanut butter milkshake with peanuts. 4 different type of milkshakes: the peanut butter, the strawberry, a chocolate, and a creamy toffee.
How was the food?
Good. I like it. I'm not sure if I like it more than the one at home because we didn't get any like fried chicken. But
I think the spicy chicken wings I got were really good.
I like the sandwich.
I think they were just as good as the ones back in the States, if not better. Did get an orange soda, but they did not have any ice. But luckily the drink is cold, so that's good. How was your food, Griffin?
Apple juice and soda.
Did you get some orange juice?
Orange juice? Yeah, it was.
How was your chicken?
I don't like the paper straws. They do paper straws here. I don't like that. I don't like the paper straws. I know it's better for the earth, but
They do get soggy.
yeah, if you don't drink your drink fast, and you let your drink sit, your straw gets soggy, and it's not that good. But at least they have straws, I guess.
So one thing I noticed that's different at the KFC here versus the States is that they don't have biscuits. In the States, whenever you get a chicken meal, it comes with like a really good buttery biscuit. And
yeah.
you can get honey to go on it, but I didn't see any biscuits.
Yeah, I think next time we come, we'll probably try and just get a bucket of chicken. It seems like that's what everybody gets. It's just a bucket of chicken. Which maybe we should have done that, but it was good. It was good to try like the sandwich, the chicken wings, the chicken wrap. Because I don't feel like that's in the States. Well, we haven't had Chick-fil-A in the States in a while.
KFC.
So I just really miss Chick-fil-A.
Just finished our meal at KFC. I think it is just as good, if not better, than KFC back in the States.
Yeah, I liked the sandwich was very good. The mashed potatoes were just like home. The cheese fries were good. I don't know if they were worth it.
I think everything was really fresh, and
Oh, yeah.
the chicken wings were really good.
That's the thing here we've noticed is the fast food is always very fresh. We don't eat much other fast food except for we do eat McDonald's, and I love the McDonald's. But yeah, it's always very good.
I think next time we'll just get a big bucket of chicken. Well, we went back to KFC and we got the bucket. So we didn't just get any bucket, but we got the Kentucky bucket. Being from Kentucky, I thought it'd just fit. This bucket has 2 pieces of chicken, 6 wings, and 2 strips.
The indoor of the KFC was closed, so we came to a local playground for Griffin to play.
Okay, so I'm trying the strips with the curry sauce. That's really good. The chicken is very tender, like very moist. The sauce is really good. That breading is really good.
Is that the wing? I'm gonna have to try it.
Yeah, it's crispy, very crispy. Chicken's very moist, tender. It's really good. I'd say probably 9 out of 10.
That's pretty good. This is the wing. I did not try this at the last KFC, so we're gonna give it a try. Very good. It's got a good spice to it. And a good crunch on the outside. Very good. You said they were really good the last time. I didn't want to try them.
Yeah.
We had the fries at the last KFC. I didn't really talk about them that much.
We had the chili cheese fries.
Yeah, but they were the same.
Yeah.
They're not as good. The McDonald's fries are better. They're a little soggier, not as crunchy. But pretty good. I would give them a 4 out of 10.
So we also got a few sides with this bucket. So the first thing we got was a coleslaw. Yeah, tastes just like what's back in the States. It's not bad, probably like a 6 out of 10. 7 maybe.
The other side we got with the bucket was corn. Oh, it's steamy. Corn is, I like corn if it's good and buttery, so we'll see how this one is. It's pretty good. Actually, it's a lot better than I thought it was gonna be.
Is it buttery?
Yeah, I'm trying to think about. It's buttery. It's not too rubbery. You know, some corn can be really rubbery. It's not rubbery at all. It's very good. It's good, but it's not my grandma's corn.
Okay, so now for the final question. Do you think KFC is better here in Germany or in the United States?
It's tough because aside from the KFC in Corbin, the original KFC, which was delicious, it's better here.
Yeah, I think as a chain restaurant, I think it is better here than it is back in the States. I'm not sure why. I mean, the chicken tastes better. I think they had more options with like the sandwiches and the burgers and stuff.
And that's saying a lot because we're from Kentucky. Not only that we're Americans, but we're from Kentucky, so we know what's good.
Yeah, we know some good fried chicken.
Make sure to like and subscribe our channel and drop a comment in the comment section of what you'd like us to try next time here in Germany.